DJI Mic Mini 2, parameter adjustment and firmware update. After connecting the microphone to the DJI Mimo app, you can update the firmware or adjust parameter settings using your phone. Two connection methods are supported when connecting your microphone to the DJI Mimo app: connecting via the phone adapter or Bluetooth. Connecting via phone adapter. Remove the sliding cover from the bottom of the receiver. Then insert the adapter. Then, with the receiver status LED facing up, attach the adapter to the phone data port. Connecting via Bluetooth. Connecting the transmitter to the app. When the transmitter is powered on, press and hold the linking button on the transmitter for 2 seconds, until the system status LED blinks blue and green alternately. Enable Bluetooth on the mobile phone, and select the transmitter from the nearby devices to connect. Connection is successful when the status LED on the transmitter is in solid blue. Open the app to automatically search for nearby devices. Tap to connect once the transmitter is discovered. After successful connection, the app will automatically enter the device settings interface. Connecting the receiver to the app. When the receiver is powered off, press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. System status LED on the receiver will blink green and then blink blue, indicating that the receiver is ready to be connected. Open the app to automatically search for nearby devices. Tap to connect once the receiver is discovered. After successful connection, the app will automatically enter the device settings interface. Parameter adjustment and firmware update. In the device settings interface, you can view connected devices and their battery status, adjust parameters, or update the firmware. Tap About Devices to view the device name, SN code, and firmware version. When new firmware is available, tap the firmware version to download and install the latest firmware.